Welcome back, guys, to beautiful sunny South Florida and Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And today should be a nice one. We've got about a 2-foot chop, an outgoing tide. Some of these captains are going to struggle today. Let's see how they all fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with Haulover. And this will bring us into the first round of our competition, and let's get this battle royale started with a Hurricane Sun deck taking on Haulover Inlet. Now, this is the coastal edition, so maybe they stand a better chance than most, but they are taking it slow, and that doesn't typically fare well for these boats with the low freeboard. And they stuff it. It's not going to work for them either. They came out just a little bit too slow, didn't keep the bow up, and here we get the double stuffing just like it's an overstuffed Oreo, and our crew is going to have to turn it around and limp back into the inlet with a loss for the boats in the first round. And here in the second round, we're going to feature a Boston Whaler, hoping to have a little better luck than our Hurricane did in the first round. And here we go, our crew's making their way into the inlet and look pretty solid. They've got a really good pace, keeping the boat barely up on plane, got the motor trimmed out just a little bit to try and keep the bow up. And man, they look pretty solid. We've got a little wave they're going to slow down on top of here, trying not to let the waves catch up behind them, but their pace is going to work, and I believe these guys are going to make it into the inlet without any issue and take a win for the boats here in the second round. And that'll bring us to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our competition. And here in the third round, we're going to feature a rinker, but man, it's a mother-in-law special. I don't know how these mothers get talked to getting into the bow of these boats coming out of Haulover, but man, you know son-in-law had something to do with it, and he gets his wish. Gets to pop mother-in-law in the face with a wave, and she is not going to be happy about that one. But here we can see Cap's coming out just a little slow, somebody in the bow. I mean, this has to be intentional, right? Let me know in the comments below if you think he buried mother-in-law right in the middle of that wave on purpose, or if it was just a happy accident. But either way, Mom's going to take a loss in this one, and unfortunately, the boats will take a loss as they stuff the bow in this one as well, and Haulover will go up 2-1 as we move into the fourth round of our contest. And here we're going to feature a Czar 65 trying to even it back up for the boats, and this boat almost looks like it's built for Haulover. Look at how much freeboard we have at the bow of this boat. It's going to take a lot for Haulover to get these guys off their track, but my man's got the boat moving, keeping it just barely up on plane, and I mean, he doesn't even got to really trim the bow that much. It just sits so high, and our guys are going to make it out without issue, giving the boats a win here in the fourth round and tying us back up at 2 apiece, which will bring us into our fifth and final round. Let's see who will take the win in this episode. Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And we've got a cigarette coming in to finish her out. And our crew, they're laying into those throttles. We've got some full send boys behind the helm, and they're going to try and make it look good as they make their way out of the inlet. Got a little bit of ventilation here. They probably could use a little trim tab. They're starting to level it out a little bit, and my man's going to full send it straight out the inlet, taking a win for the boats, and the boats will take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps down in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.